Hello everybody! Today you are going to watch a story about love. Love that makes us happy and worthy. Love that makes our world a better place to live in. The story is about friendship among 5 friends who live nearby to each other. Are you ready? Let's watch and enjoy!
Dog. I like walking, running, and I have a lot of toys.
Quack, quack, quack. I'm Ducky Duck, and I like to play swim with my friends.
Flap, flap, flap. I am Bubbly Butterfly. I like to fly so high and read books.
Hello, I'm Beanie Bee. I love to buzz and I love flowers.
Ribbit, ribbit, rabbit, I'm Froggy the Frog. I have a bubble under my neck, and I like to hop and dive.
Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hide behind the tree. These little children are asking you, please come up and let me play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me.
Good morning all. My name is Donny Duck. And this is Ducky Duck.
Good morning, everyone. I am Ducky Duck, and this is my best friend. We are best friends because our name starts with the same letters. Can you guess what letter it is? Yes! D, 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 D.
Did you all have a good weekend? We had a good weekend, didn't we, Ducky Duck? Saturday and Monday.
No. After Saturday is Sunday. Those are our weekend. Let's sing days of the week first.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week.
Yeah, it was cool. I got a new toy. My friends are going to be very jealous.
And I got the dollhouse I wanted. It is pink and has all the furniture and everything.
I give up. I can't do it.
What's the matter?
I can't keep smiling.
Why are you trying to smile?
Because I want to be happy all the time.
I know. Let's sing if you're happy song.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Hoofed. Do you know why I'm not happy? Because not all my friends want to play with me, even when I have a new toy or a game.
Poor Donny Dog. I gave you hints, but you ignore me. Do you know why? Because you don't share. You don't take turns. You want them to see you play, not playing together with them.
But that's my toy.
But showing your toy only and not sharing is also lame and boring. You also never say magic words and help your friend when they ask your help.
I know. What should I do now?
Hey, you know who I saw on the way here?
Who?
Bindi Bee and Froggy Frog.
Froggy Frog. He is scary. Bindi Bee is also so noisy. Zzz.
Hello, Dee. How are you all? I want to give you this book. You said you want to read this book. Hey, Donny Dog, why do you look sad?
Wow, thank you, Bubbly Butterfly. That's very nice of you.
Yeah, I'm ashamed of myself. I never share my toys with you. Yet, you give me the book that I like.
No worries, Donny Dog. I know you love your toys so much, but don't forget to love your friends and your neighbor.
Yes, now I know why Froggy Frog and Bindi Bee don't want to play with me. But they are scary and noisy.
What makes you scared of Froggy Frog?
That bubble under his neck.
Oh, that is vocal sac. All frogs need it. When the vocal sac expands into its bubble-like shape, it makes the frog's voice louder. Frog voices need to be loud enough so that her friends from further away can hear them.
Oh, I thought he is angry when I don't share my toys. How about Bindi Bee? Why she buzzes so loud?
Do you know Bindi Bee is always happy? Especially when she plays with us. She always brings us flowers. Bees make the buzzing because of the rapid wing beats, and when she is happy, she will flip her wings faster.
Oh, I thought she yells at me and doesn't allow me to talk. But she is nice. She likes to help me when I need to shoo fly on my nose.
See, Donny Dog, all your friends love you. That's why it is important to show love to your friends and neighbors. If you love them, that can make you happy. That's the magic of love.
Really, Bubbly Butterfly? I want to try to show love to Froggy Frog and Bindi Bee. I want to see if it makes me happy. But how to show that I love them?
Just like what you do to Ducky Duck.
Yes, you share toys with me. Take turns. You say magic words like thank you, sorry, please to me. You hug me and try to be funny when I'm sad. You also help me when a lot I need your help. You wait for me patiently when I walk slower than you. That's love, Donny Dog.
Wow! Am I that good?
Ha 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 ha! You are so funny. Yes, you are that good.
Okay, I want to invite Froggy Frog and Bindi Bee to play together with us.
Speaking of it, here they are. Hey, Froggy Frog and Bindi Bee, let's play together.
Hello, my friend, hello. It's nice to see you again. Hello, my friend, hello. Tell me, how have you been?
I'm fine, thank you, I'm fine. I'm fine, and how about you?
The same, thank you, the same. The same, I'm feeling fine too.
Hello all! Wow, nice to see you all here. What are we going to play today?
Here, I have some flowers for you, you, and you.
Wow, thank you, Bindi Bee. Look, I have a new toy. It's a binocular. I will let you borrow and play with it.
Whoa, a binocular? That's cool. I always want to see through a binocular. Is that you, Donny Dog? I'm surprised.
Are you sure, Donny Dog? We can borrow and play with the binocular?
Yes, I'm sure.
Yay!
Dog in the yard goes whoop, whoop, whoop. The dog in the yard goes whoop, whoop, whoop. The dog in the yard goes whoop, whoop, whoop. I wonder what he says. The cat on the mat goes
Meow, meow,
the cat on the mat goes
meow, meow,
the cat on the mat goes
meow, meow.
I wonder what she says.
See how happy you are, Donny Dog?
Yes, Bubbly Butterfly. I feel so happy. I never thought being nice and show love to my friends and neighbor will make me so happy.
Now you know.
Friends, I want to say something.
Yes, Donny Dog?
I want to say sorry for not showing love to all of you and being so selfish.
No worries, Donny Dog. We forgive you.
Yes, I never hate you. I just don't want to make you angry. Because you love your toys so much, and I really like your toys and want to play with it too.
That's also love, forgiving your friends.
I love you, you love me. We are happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me?